Alright guys, so I thought I'd address it real big. Am I leaving YouTube? No, absolutely not. Quite to the contrary. A matter of fact, so this video is a response basically to, I posted the video saying I'm going to be doing a Patreon earlier today, and or I'm filming this later the day that was posted. Anyways, I got like more percentage of dislikes of that video than anything else. I've got friends of mine that are messaging me, asking me if I'm leaving YouTube or whatever. I'm not. So I'm doing Patreon now, so I can, build a bigger community of you guys. And yes, I'm asking to be paid for some of the stuff. So I'm going to be providing technical support. But the good news is that if you're not going to become a Patreon, that's 100% fine. I just want to be able to give that extra level to those guys. But what I am going to do is, now that I'm going to be making more content for Patreon, I'll be able to take little pieces of those Patreon videos and make them for YouTube videos. So you guys on YouTube are going to get more content out of this. This isn't a bad thing. Please don't. I mean, if you're going to hit the dislike, tell me why. Tell me if you think maybe the prices are too high, or you don't think there's enough value, or whatever. But I promise, I'm not leaving YouTube. If anything, you guys are going to have more content from me. So just stick around, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare anybody like that. I'm sorry I wasn't clear on the video. It's going to be great, guys. You're really going to like it, I promise. There's going to be a lot more content. It's just, if you want that technical help and you want to get the cool swag packs from me every month and all that stuff, head over to Patreon. The link's in the bottom of the description, or on the top of the description, right here. Right there we go. Sorry, I gotta always do that. So the link is there. Yeah, I do have a massive pimple on my head. I don't know what happened. I woke up this morning and I was like, holy crap. Anyways, I'll see you guys at Patreon. I'm not leaving YouTube. You're gonna get way more content, I promise. We'll see you guys next time.